Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time, but it is going to be well worth the wait because today I'm bringing you something special, something limited edition and exclusive. So I'm super excited to bring this to you. Can you guess what we're doing today? We are going to do a review of the Prince Urban Decay collection, you guys. I am just over the moon about this collection. I saw that it was coming out and I had to get my hands on it. It was not sent to me or sponsored. I'm not that big, I'm not that special yet on YouTube, but I did get this myself, and it is just something I really definitely wanted to add to my collection. As a Prince fan, I just felt like I had to have it. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you what's all in this collection, show you the shadows, the whole bit, and at the end I'm going to show you how I got this purple look using some of the items in this collection. So if you want to see this review and makeup tutorial, then keep on watching. Let's just talk about how beautiful this packaging is. I mean, the gold symbol is so nice and gorgeous, and it's like a nice little hardware. When you open it up, the one and only eyes that will have you mesmerized. Let me show you the first one. This is the You Got the Look palette. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and in this you have the colors Sexy Dancer, Crystal Ball, Endorphin Machine, Get Off, Love to the Nines, Shockadelica, Groovy Potential, The Artist, Bold Generation, and So Dark. And again, it is just stunning. They're very pigmented as well. And then look, I mean, again with the gold symbol, I love that so much. Next, we have the Let's Go Crazy palette, and this is in the signature purple. Again, we have the beautiful symbol, and I've actually already used this. So this is this palette. Again, this is so beautiful with the purples and the blues, and the names of the colors in this one are Alphabet Street, Get Your Groove On, When Doves Cry, Funk and Roll, Computer Blue, Raspberry Beret, DMSR, Baby I'm a Star, Delirious, and Indigo Nights. We have these beautiful eyeliners that have the symbol on the tops, and they are in black and white. I will show you. Here's the white one, and this one is called When Doves Cry. How cute. And this one is called So Dark, and it is the black eyeliner. And the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Again, this packaging, can you see? It's like I don't know what this material is, but it's so beautiful. And it's like supposed to be a translucent setting powder, but I don't know how this would be on anybody with a deeper skin tone. And then we have the Illuminizer. for the face and body. And I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. So you see my hand, I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And this is not like a highlight or anything, it's just a little illuminizer, just to give you some glow. I don't know if you can actually see the difference there, but see, I guess my bare hand and all my scars, but it's just gonna give you a little bit of a glow. So I will be trying that out someday soon. And then we also have the brush, and it has like a little divot here on the inside. Not really sure if I'm gonna use this for foundation or just to put on the Illuminizer, but I will find good use for this brush. This is just really special to have if you are a Prince fan. I've actually been to Paisley Park. That's where I got this scarf. It is such a beautiful, I feel like I've said that 100 times. It is actually such a cool place. If you ever have the chance to go, you should go. You should go more than once if you can. It is such a cool place, and I probably listen to Prince every single day. It takes one song. It takes one song to get to you, and then you're hooked. And I've been hooked ever since. And so anyways, I am just, again, so in love with this. It is such a beautiful collection to have, especially if you are a Prince fan, because you're going to want to just put it on display when I look at it, and then just to have something to commemorate him. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you enjoyed this look that you're about to get. Again, I did the signature purple, and we have quite a few of the colors from both of the eyeshadow palettes on my lids. So I'm going to show you how I got this purple smoky eye look to go along with my shirt. Look. And look. So if you want to see how I got this look and get to see this palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the color Love to the Nines. I can barely see here, but Love to the Nines, which is a really good song, by the way. And I'm going to put that in my transition area, and I'm looking in my mirror over here. Oh, this is actually a little bit deeper than I thought that it was. So we're gonna have to blend that out really good. So again, I'm putting this in my transition crease area. And I'm gonna keep blending that upwards. Next, I'm gonna take Get Your Groove On, and I'm going to put that just underneath that warm tone brown. And the reason I put that warm tone brown there is because, again, when I'm not really sure like what look I'm gonna create, I need to have some sort of base to my crease, so that way I can kind of transition and blend colors. So now I kind of got an idea, I think, of what I want to do, because it's so many beautiful colors. I just want to use the whole thing. And so I'm taking this purple. It's kind of, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a lavender color, but it's like shimmery. It has some like iridescence to it. But then there's another color, DMSR, that is super iridescent. I think I'm going to use that too. Okay, next I'm going to take Funk and Roll, this really pretty purple, same brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer crease, the outer corner, excuse me. just to kind of give it some depth here. And I'm packing that on. I'm not experiencing like a ton of fallout, which is actually pretty good because with these dark colors, that's so easy. I do see fallout with some colors in the pan, but not so much like on my face as I'm applying the colors, so that's good. I'm gonna take this color here, Baby I'm a Star, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Ooh, it's very I don't know how to explain, but like it's like a soft texture formula, and it is crumbly. Oh my gosh, I can tell that this is gonna apply better with my finger because of the way that the texture of this shadow is. Oh yeah. Oh yes, honey. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I'm gonna take this same crease brush and kind of blend that out. We don't want any harsh lines, but oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I'm packing that on my lid. Gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to take DMSR and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. And this is like a really, really pretty, like iridescent purple. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It's like it has blue undertones, like it's silvery, but it's not silvery. Like, oh, this will be a pretty color just on the eyelid alone without the other color, the other shimmery color. I'm actually going to add a little bit more of Baby I'm a Star and kind of blend those two together. Ooh. Okay. I don't know. Should I? A little bit of So Dark from this palette just to kind of give us a little bit more smoke. Just a little bit, you know. And then I'm gonna blend it just to kind of deepen up that purple, you know, without making it too harsh. But these palettes are very beautiful. When I saw that it became available, I had to have it. I had to have it. Aww. That is so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with some of the colors that I used earlier, Funk and Roll, and I'm gonna put that right underneath my lash line. I'm probably gonna grab a little bit of that black color again and put it on the outer edge as well. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Baby I'm a Star and DMSR. And just brighten that up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna take just a little bit of that black. I don't want this to be too dark of a look. I definitely want to keep it purple and gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I really love this. This right here, I'm gonna do this on camera. This is the Cajole Eyeliner, and it is in the color So Dark. And if you're a Prince fan, you know he wore the black eyeliner. Sometimes he'd wear the white eyeliner. And so they included these in the palette, and they're beautiful. I mean, come on now. Come on now. So cute. So I'm going to put this in my waterline. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish the rest of this look off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and until the next time, see you later.